Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the McKinney mattress. This is the first of 3 mattresses in the Country Living collection. Country Living is a name I'm sure you're very familiar with. They've been around for decades. And what they've done is they've entered the sleep space with these mattresses to reflect that easy, laid-back lifestyle. So let's take a look. You can order the McKinney mattress from the Sleep Country Living website. It should arrive in about a week, and you'll get tracking info so you know exactly what day it will arrive. This one does come compressed in a box. It is pretty heavy, so you'll probably need another person to help you get it up any stairs and into your bedroom. Now, when you get it in, you basically just cut open the box. There is a box cutter inside, but sometimes I just prefer to use a good sharp scissors. And once you cut it open, this is going to expand to life. Just keep in mind this is an all foam mattress, so it will take a little bit longer to fully inflate to shape, and there will be some off-gassing, but that mostly should dissipate in about 6 to 8 hours. So depending on the time of day that you open the mattress, say you open it in the morning, you should be able to sleep on it that evening. All of the Country Living mattresses are made in the USA. This is their all foam version, and it only comes in 1 firmness level. So this is the only choice you're going to get when you head over to that website. And this one is a 3-layer construction. But starting with the cover, you have what they call a phase change material applied to it. So what that means is it's just a little cool to the touch. And when you lay down on it, you'll notice just a subtle cooling effect. It'll help kind of bring down your body temperature a little faster, so you can also fall asleep a little bit faster. Now underneath this is 3 inches of copper infused foam. The reason they use copper is twofold. One, it does have a little bit of a cooling effect, and it's antimicrobial, so it just helps keep the mattress fresh. Underneath that, you have another 1 inches of cooling gel foam, so they're continuing with those cooling materials. And that also serves as a transition layer from the softer copper foam layer to the base layer, which is an 8-inch base layer of foam, and that just provides a nice sturdy surface so that it's supported for the other 2 layers on top. So that is the construction in a nutshell. There's also handles stitched into each side. So if you want to move this mattress in the future or you need to rotate it, it's very easy to do. The McKinney mattress retails for a little over $1,300 in a queen size. But if you head over to sleepsherpa.com, we do have discounts to bring that down considerably. This also comes with an 18-month trial. That means you basically have this for about 1.5 years to try it out in your home to see if it is the right fit and feel for you. And if you don't like it, it's free shipping to you and a free return, so you're not out 1 cent. But if you do decide to keep it, it does come with their lifetime warranty. So what that means is if there's any defects with the stitching, the handles, the cover rips unexpectedly, maybe the foam isn't holding up to par right when you get it, just contact them and they will work to remedy any issues as long as you own this mattress, which is pretty incredible. It really is a lifetime warranty. If I had to rate this mattress for firmness, I would say it's more of a medium firm feel. So you're not going to sink into this mattress all that much. You will just slightly, but compared to a lot of the other mattresses I've reviewed, it is a little bit on the firmer end of the spectrum. So right when you lay down on it, that's pretty much the feel you get. And because it is a bit more supportive, it's going to be a lot easier to move around on. So if you tend to switch positions at night, this is very easy to do. A big fear with foam mattresses is that it's hard to move around on. That really isn't the case with this mattress. The copper infused top layer is very responsive. So it's not like that older, denser foam that takes a while to recover. This one almost has a little bit of a springy quality to it. In terms of motion transfer, there's basically 0 motion transfer. That is the big advantage of foam. So if you do have a partner that gets out of bed a lot, whether it be to go to the bathroom or they maybe get up early or go to bed late, you shouldn't notice that at all. And that's a big plus because it'll help you stay asleep. And finally, with the cooling, it is foam, so it is going to retain a little bit more heat than a hybrid mattress, but they were very intentional with the cooling layer on top and the cooling copper foam and the gel infused foam underneath. So all in all, it's a very versatile mattress. I would recommend it for combo sleepers. I'd say if you're a dedicated side sleeper, you may want to look at the other mattresses in the Country Living collection. If you are a dedicated back or stomach sleeper, this is also a great choice. Country Living really came out of the gate strong with a great lineup of 3 mattresses and 3 different types of feels. If you know that you like a foam mattress, be it because it can contain motion transfer or it's just really good at pressure relief, I would definitely take a look at the McKinney. It's a great price after discount, and it's made in the USA. So just given the price point, being made in the USA, just have this nice look about it, you know, and the hand-stitched handles, the cooling cover. It really is a good value. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com where you can get the latest discounts and the full review.